In this video, we are going to talk about what is the difference between write and write line in the C sharp. So the difference between the write and write line is write is printing the information in the same line, printing the information in the console in the same line. But when you take the write line, it is going to print this the information in different lines. Let us see that example. Let me create a static method console.write. Welcome to C sharp. Copy the same code and print it. If you run this code, it is going to print in the same line. Welcome to C sharp, welcome to C sharp. Let us run this program. If you see in the console, welcome to C sharp, welcome to C sharp. But I want to print these lines in multiple lines, the line by line. I don't want to see in the same line. In that case, you can go and use console.writeLine. Welcome to C sharp. Let's comment the above statements and run it. Look at this. These statements are printing line by line. It is not printing the next line. That's what the difference. If you take a write, that means it is printing the same line. If you take the write line, it is printing the multiple lines. That's it, guys, for today. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next session.